The town of Wheelcraft City is glowing with excitement. All of the townsfolk are gathered together for the annual Light and Lantern Festival. The mayor is about to make an announcement. Mayor Bell, cheerful. Let's welcome our newest friend, Firey the Fire Truck. 1, 2, 3. A bright red fire truck with shiny hose reels rolls in. On its back is a large bell that chimes merrily, and from inside the cab, 2 happy eyes blink at the crowd. Firey, in a deep, gentle voice. Hello, friends. I'm here to keep things safe and help everyone. A loud cheer echoes through the town square as Andy, one of the construction vehicles, drives up to Firey. Andy, smiling. Welcome, Firey. This is Sparky, my Siren friend. Sparky, Subtitles. Wee-ooo, glad to have a big helper like you. Andy and Sparky both honk their horns, and the other vehicles join in, welcoming Firey to the festival. From the back of the crowd, a small voice calls out, "What does a fire truck do at a light festival?" Everyone looks over to see it's Tilly the tow truck. She's decorated with colorful lights and a sparkly new coat of paint. Tilly, I thought we only needed him in case of an emergency. Like if someone's house was on fire or a building was burning down. Andy chuckles. That's a great question, Tilly, but there's lots of ways to help at a fire station. As the song begins, the vehicles start to line up for the festival's big parade. New friend, new light. Firey shines so bright, helping hands and water spray. He keeps the fire far away from his new home at the fire station. Firey watches as the townspeople begin to set up booths and stalls for the festival. He takes a deep breath and gets to work, making sure everyone is safe. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns a deep blue and the first stars start to twinkle. The townspeople wave as the parade begins. All of the vehicles are decorated with lights. Mayor Bell leads the way with his police car, followed by Andy and his construction crew. Next comes Sparky, wooing and flashing his lights. And bringing up the rear is Firey, his wheels flashing red and blue as his bell chimes merrily. As the parade makes its way through the streets of Wheelcraft City, the crowd cheers. Light up the night, light up the night. Wheelcraft City shines so bright. Light up the night, light up the night. Celebrate, dance, and take delight. Hey, guess what? The city is getting ready for the annual Light Up the Night festival, and we're gonna help decorate for it. Look, there's my favorite vehicle, the music bus, and she's singing as she drives. Oh, and look at those adorable little fireflies. They're hanging lanterns to get the city ready for the night. And over there, the food carts are setting up. I wonder what they're gonna sell. And here comes Polly with her scooter. She's making sure everything is safe for everyone. And next to her is Andy in his fire truck. He's handing out water bottles to all the hot little fireflies. You know, the festival is gonna be so much fun this year. There are so many cool things to do, like the Ferris wheel. You can go round and round and see the whole city from above. Or you can take a ride on the music bus. She'll sing and dance as she takes you for a spin. And if you're feeling hungry, stop by the snack cart and get some yummy food. And of course, we can't forget about the light show. All the buildings will be lit up with colorful lights, just like this building behind me. It's going to be so beautiful. Look at the ribbons and lanterns everywhere. They look so pretty in the sky. The best part is everyone in the city is getting together to celebrate the start of summer. Hey, come on down to the city. We'll save you a spot. So grab your friends and family and join in on the fun. It's gonna be a night to remember.
It's a beautiful day in the city. The annual Summer Splash Festival is in full swing. There are games, there's music, and most importantly, there's water everywhere. And just to make sure everyone stays safe, Firey and his firefighting friends have set up several buckets of water around the park for people to use. But then, While Firey is getting a drink, something catches his eye. A tiny puff of smoke rises near the sparkler booth. Firey, that's not right. Smoke near the paper lanterns. Children gasp as they watch the smoke rise. Mayor Bell rushes over to Firey, panicked. Mayor Bell, quick Firey, help. Firey, I'm on it. He grabs his water cannon and rushes toward the sparkler booth, aiming his nozzle at the base of the lantern. A gentle spray of water douses the glowing ember before it can spread. Andy cheers, "Yay, Firey, save the festival." From the looks of things, it seems like the sparklers caused the lanterns to catch fire. And while this was only a small one today, it's important that we remember how dangerous wildfires can be. That's why it's so important for firefighters to be at all these events. They may seem like a lot of fun, but fireworks and sparklers are only a few of the many things that can cause a wildfire. The most important thing you can do if you see a wildfire is to get out of its way. Wildfires burn an average of 3 million acres each year and can take weeks or even months to fully extinguish. It's crucial that we respect our firefighters and their incredible hard work. They put their lives on the line every day to keep our communities safe from fires. So let's all do our part to prevent fires and keep everyone safe. Now, let's get back to the song. Sound the hose and call the crew? Let's keep the kids safe, me and you. Spray the water, make it cool, follow every safety rule.
The festival continues with a hero song. Night falls, all the lights glow, all the kids gather around Firey with their cars and trucks. Mimi starts a melody. Who keeps us safe when fire is near? Firey the Truck. Let's all cheer. He's brave and bold and always kind. A better friend you'll never find. All the kids. Subtitles. Thank you, Firey. Firey modestly. Subtitles. Anytime. That's what friends do. Everyone cheers and gives Firey a big hug. Then they all dance and sing together as the night goes on. And we learn some more valuable lessons about friendship and bravery and kindness. The end. It's time for the annual Light and Lantern Parade here in the city. All of the vehicles are wearing their finest glow decorations, and everyone is invited to join in. Look at this cool car. Wow, it's so sparkly. And there's music playing too. I bet it's gonna be a great night. Come on, let's go check it out. And look at these families walking beside the vehicles. They're holding these beautiful lanterns. It's so pretty. I want to dance. Wee-ooo! Glow and go. Let's follow the sparkle route. All of the vehicles are lined up and ready to go. The music starts, and they all begin to move. The families with the lanterns follow along behind. Wroom Wroom, sing and ride. Lanterns glowing side by side. City lights and laughter too. A festival for me and you. I love the way that the lights twinkle. And check out how happy everyone is. Look at that smile. I wonder if we could decorate one of our own vehicles and join the parade. That would be so much fun. We can put our names on the windows with special window markers. And maybe we could make some signs to put on top of our vehicle. We could make one big sign that says, "Happy Holidays," and put little signs on each of the windows that say, "Ho ho ho." That would be great. Then we could join the parade and drive through the city with all of our friends and family. We could even hand out candy canes to all of the people watching the parade. That would be so much fun. Ooh, now I'm excited. I bet we could make the best float in the whole parade with lots of sparkly lights and decorations. Then we could all ride together as a family in our very own lighted, decorated vehicle. I can't wait. Hold your lanterns high. Reach for the sky. Wave to the crowd. Shout out loud. Be a part of the night, glowing with delight. What will you do at the parade? Will you dance or sing? Maybe you'll march or play an instrument. Whatever you do, have fun. The parade is a time for everyone to be happy and enjoy themselves. So let's all celebrate together.
It's almost time for the grand finale of our light show spectacular. Are you ready? Because here it comes. Up above the clouds, a message is being spelled out in the night sky. Can you guess what it says? It gets a little hard to make out, but I think I know. Is it saying friends forever? Oh yes, it is. How beautiful. The drone spelled out friends forever. What a perfect ending to our night. Now let's hear from Mayor Bell. Let this light show remind us that in Wheelcraft City, friends help friends no matter what. That's right. We've helped Mayor Bell and the citizens of Wheelcraft City all throughout the night, and they've helped us. That's what friends do. Friends are there for each other, especially when things are tough. Speaking of tough, I think I need some help getting down from here. Oh, hello, Mimi. How are you enjoying the show? I sure am, Sparky, and we always sing together. That's right. Singing is one of our favorite things to do together. Remember when we sang, We Are the Wheelcraft Crew?
No.
And how could I forget our duet of You've Got a Friend in Me? Those were the days. Well, speaking of singing, it's time for me to get back up there and finish the show. High above and down below, our city sparkles. See it glow. We care, we help, we sing, we play in Wheelcraft City every day. Oh, come on, Sparky. Let's go help the mayor. Bye, everyone.
All the vehicles are parked in the park. Stars twinkle. Soft lullaby music plays. The camera pans over the sleeping vehicles until it lands on Andy, who is yawning. Andy, subtitles. What a big day. Firey, subtitles. I'm glad I got to help. Polly, subtitles. From racing to lanterns, we did it all. As the sun sets over the horizon, the colors in the sky turn from blue to purple to pink. The camera focuses on the faces of the three friends. They are tired, but happy. After a busy day of helping at the community fair, Andy, singing. Sleepy lights, sleepy wheels. Time for dreams and bedtime feels. Firey, singing. Sirens quiet, engines low. Close your eyes. Let dream time flow. The camera pans away as the three friends sing their lullaby. Their voices are soft and gentle, like the wind blowing through the trees. Scene changes to the next morning. The sun is shining brightly in the sky, and the birds are chirping. The camera pans over the sleeping vehicles again, but now they are all empty. It looks like everyone has gone home for the night. The only sound that can be heard is the wind blowing through the tall grass. The camera focuses on Polly, who is lying on her side. Her face is peaceful and relaxed. In her hand, she is holding a small lantern. It looks like she was taking a break from the racing earlier in the day. The camera slowly moves closer to Polly's face as she continues to sleep. Her breathing is slow and steady. She looks so peaceful as she dreams of another exciting day at the racetrack. It's been an exciting day at the racetrack. There were lots of races and lots of fun. But now it's time to go home. All the cars are lined up, ready to drive off. But Polly isn't with them. She's fast asleep and doesn't want to go home. She just wants to stay at the racetrack and sleep. Andy, subtitles. Come on, Polly. It's time to go home. Polly, sleepily. Just 5 more minutes, please. Andy, gently. You can't sleep here, Polly. You'll have to get home somehow. Polly, yawning. Okay, I'm coming. As Polly gets into her car, the other vehicles start to drive off. One by one, they disappear into the distance. Soon it's just Polly and Andy left at the racetrack. Andy, smiling. Well, this has been a very exciting day. I'm glad you could be a part of it, Polly. Polly, subtitles. Me too, Andy. Thanks for taking care of me. As they say goodbye, Polly's eyes start to droop. She's too tired to keep them open. She yawns one last time and then falls asleep. Andy helps her into her car and then pushes her gently. He knows she'll be fine. She'll make it home on her own. He watches her go and then smiles. He's glad he could help Polly have an exciting day. Now it's time for him to go home too. He starts his engine and drives off into the sunset. The camera pans over the empty racetrack. The sun is setting in the distance, and the sky is filled with beautiful colors. The camera focuses on Polly's car, which is all alone on the racetrack. Polly is fast asleep and doesn't know that she's all alone. The other vehicles are long gone, and no one is around to help her. Will Polly be scared, or will she be okay? Find out next time on Polly Wants a Racer.